Before buying an all-purpose cleaner for your car interior, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Not every cleaner is created equal, and knowing the right one can save you time and keep your car looking brand new. Product number 1: Armor All Car Cleaning Wipes. First up, we have the Armor All Car Cleaning Wipes. Priced at around $15.53, these wipes are super convenient and have caught my attention because of their ease of use. If you want a quick and effective way to keep your car looking sharp, this is worth a serious look. These wipes are specifically designed to lift dirt away from various surfaces in your car's interior. You get 90 wipes in a canister, and they are safe on delicate surfaces like dashboards, vinyl, fabric, and leather. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can easily tackle dirt and grime without the hassle of carrying multiple cleaning products around. Plus, they won't dry out or damage your car's surfaces, which is a common concern with other wipes. Now, some people complained about the wipes being a bit too small for larger messes. Here's the thing though, they're excellent for quick touch-ups but might not be the best for deep cleaning. If your car hasn't seen a good clean in a while, you might want to consider a more robust cleaner first. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fast, no-fuss cleaning solution, but skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty cleaning. For the price, they offer great value when you need a quick cleanup on the go. Now, if the size of those wipes bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a spray format. Product number 2: MAXLONE Car Spray. Next, we have the MAXLONE Car Spray with Triffine-registered technology, priced at $126.46. I know that sounds steep, but this product caught my attention because it's a waterless cleaner. If you want to save time and effort while achieving a professional shine, this is worth considering. This spray uses advanced Triffine technology, which creates a hydrophobic shield that repels dirt and grime. That means you can just spray and wipe without needing to pre-wash your car. It's not just about convenience. It offers a long-lasting shine that protects your car's surfaces from UV rays and harsh weather conditions. Imagine not having to wash your car as often because the dirt just slides off. That's a game changer. Now, some folks have pointed out the high price tag as a downside. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about maintaining your vehicle's appearance and want something that lasts, the investment pays off. For those who only occasionally clean their car, it might be overkill. This is perfect for you if you want a quick, high-quality detailing solution that lasts, but skip this one if you're looking for something budget-friendly. If you regularly detail your car, the cost is justified. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for all surfaces. Product number 3: Griot's Garage Interior Detailer. Now let's talk about Griot's Garage Interior Detailer, priced at $16.43. What caught my attention here is its versatility across various surfaces. If you want a cleaner that can handle everything from vinyl to glass, this one is worth a serious look. This product is designed for light-duty cleaning, tackling light dust and fingerprints effortlessly. It's a fantastic way to keep your car looking cleaner for longer. Here's why this matters. You won't have to deal with greasy residues or constant reapplications, which makes your life so much easier. Now, some users have mentioned that it may not tackle heavy dirt as effectively. Here's the thing though, for routine maintenance, it shines. If your car is heavily soiled, you might need a more aggressive cleaner first. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use cleaner that keeps your surfaces looking good. But skip this one if you're dealing with tough stains or heavy dirt. For the price, it offers solid value for everyday cleaning. If you need something that can handle tougher jobs, the next product is made for you. Product number 4: Chemical Guys Nonsense Cleaner. Next is the Chemical Guys Nonsense Cleaner, priced at $25.27. The name alone caught my attention, but it's also a favorite among those who need a solid all-surface cleaner. If you want something that gets the job done without any fuss, this one deserves a look. What sets this product apart is its pH-balanced formula that's safe for vinyl, rubber, and even upholstery. It's colorless and odorless, which means it won't leave any strong scents behind, perfect for sensitive noses. Here's why this matters. You can clean without worrying about harsh chemicals ruining your car's interior or leaving behind unwanted fragrances. Now, some people found that it requires a bit more scrubbing on stubborn stains. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a cleaner that's gentle but effective, this might be your go-to. Just keep a microfiber cloth handy for those tougher spots. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, gentle cleaner for regular use. But skip this one if you need something that tackles heavy-duty messes. Overall, it's a great value for its versatility. Now, if you're looking for a multi-surface cleaner that adapts to different needs, the last option might just do the trick. Product number 5, Tabouns Multi-Surface Cleaner. Finally, we have the Tabouns Multi-Surface Cleaner, priced at $25.29. I was drawn to this product because of its dual-mode foam and mist spray feature. If you want a flexible cleaner that handles everything from leather to fabric, this one is worth checking out. That's super handy for a range of situations, whether you're spot cleaning or doing a full detail. The low-odor safe formula is also great for families or pet owners. Here's why this matters. You can keep your car fresh without overwhelming scents or worries about harsh chemicals. Now, some users commented that the foam mode can be a bit messy if not controlled properly. Here's the thing though, with a little practice, you'll find it easy to use and effective. If you prefer control over your cleaning process, this can actually be a plus. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile cleaner that can tackle various surfaces effectively. But skip this one if you're looking for a straightforward, no-fuss approach. It's a solid value for the adaptability it provides. So there you have it. Whether you're looking for convenience with Armor All Wipes, a professional finish with MAXLONE, versatility from Griot's Garage, a gentle touch with Chemical Guys, or adaptability with Tabouns, there's definitely a cleaner here for you. Just remember to choose based on your specific needs, and you'll keep your car's interior looking brand new.